In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your availability hours in Calendly. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look toward the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with different options related to your scheduling and events. In that menu, find and click on the option labeled Availability. This is where you control when people are allowed to book time with you. Once you click on Availability, Calendly will take you to a page that shows your current working hours and the days you're available. This view is really important because anything you set here becomes the foundation for all of your event types, unless you've customized individual events separately. Take a moment to look over what's already set. If this is a new account, you might see default hours like standard business times, but you'll want to confirm that they actually match your real schedule. Next, look for the time zone setting, which appears just below your availability header. Go ahead and click on the time zone that's displayed there. This opens a selector where you can confirm or change your time zone. Making sure this is correct is crucial, especially if you work with people in different parts of the world. Calendly automatically adjusts your availability for your invitees based on their own time zones, but it can only do that accurately if your own base time zone is set correctly. When the time zone selector opens, choose the city or region that best represents where you are currently located. If you travel frequently, it's a good habit to come back to this section and update your time zone whenever you change locations. This helps prevent double bookings or meetings being scheduled at odd hours for you. After you've confirmed the correct time zone, save or apply the changes if Calendly prompts you to do so. Then review the availability hours displayed again to make sure they still make sense with your new time zone. If something looks off, this is a good moment to adjust your hours so they align with when you actually want to take meetings. And that's it. By clicking on availability on the left side and then clicking on the time zone below to confirm it's correct, you've taken the essential first steps toward making sure your Calendly schedule reflects your real working hours.